Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today we are making a ash blonde wig from start to finish, so let's get into the video. Right here I'm applying some Vaseline on the lace. This is going to make sure we don't color our lace so that it can look as natural as possible. For the dark roots, I'm using a level 5 natural. I'm going to make sure I leave a link to all the products I'm using in the description, so please make sure you check it out. As you can see, I'm just applying the color. I'm trying to avoid the lace as much as I can. Although we've applied the Vaseline, but sometimes it can still get on the lace. The Vaseline just serves as an insurance, let me just put it that way, so that we don't put as much color on the lace. So anyway, that's exactly what I'm doing right here. For the rest of the wig, make sure you're working in sections. My mixture, I'm using Koleston Perfect Wella, and it can be quite thick, as you can see. So make sure you work it in as much as you can. And the best way to avoid mistakes is to work in sections. Use a comb if you have to. Make sure you have the color everywhere. The most horrible thing that can really happen is you've gone through all the trouble, you've applied your color, you've gone to wash your wig, and then you realize that you've missed a spot or two. Trust me, it's not the best feeling ever. So make sure that you try to saturate your wig as much as you can. So this is what it looks like after. I went ahead to wash my wig with a neutralizing shampoo, a deep conditioner, and we are ready for styling. For the purpose of this video, to avoid a very lengthy video, I've decided to speed up this process. I'm going to leave a link of a video that shows an in-depth tutorial of how I style my wigs, so please check that out. And yeah, we're ready. The wig is ready. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I really hope you've learned a thing or two. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share to your friends. And I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.